if I told you that everything you learn in school is wrong? I can prove to you mathematically that the number 1 is equal to the number 2. I am going to write the proof on this board for you. Your job is to watch closely and tell me where is the mistake. Because if I am right, math is broken. Oh, let us go. Okay, let us start with 2 variables, that is A and B. Let us say that A is equal to B. Now, step 1. Multiply both sides by A. If you have A is equals to B, multiply both sides by A. That is, if you say A times A equal to A times B, right? Therefore, A times A is equals to A square. A times B is AB, right? Now, step 2. Subtract B square from both sides. A square minus B square equal to AB, okay, minus B square. Can you see? A square minus B, subtract both sides by B square, that is it. A square minus B square equal to AB minus B square. Are you following the math so far? It looks correct, right? If you like math challenges like this, hit the like button right now. Let us see if you can catch the tricks in the next step. Okay, let us factorize. On the left side, we have a difference of 2 squares. That is, here is it. We have a difference of 2 squares. And the difference of 2 squares, this A square minus B square becomes A minus B, A plus B, right? On the right side, we can factorize out B. Okay, that is it. Let's do it. If you say A minus B, if you say A minus B, A plus B again, it is simply like this way. That is, A times A equals to A square plus A times B equal to AB minus B multiplied by positive A. That is AB minus B multiplied by this will give you B square, right? Now, this and this will cancel each other. You are left with what? A square minus B square, right? Now, in this step, A minus B, A plus B, factor out B like this. AB minus B square becomes B open bracket, A minus B close the bracket. Open bracket, A minus B close bracket, A plus B equal to this. B, okay. We have open bracket A minus B on both sides. Okay. We are about to finish the proof. This is the moment where magic happens. Make sure you are subscribed to MuakAcademy because I reveal the answer in 30 seconds. Are you ready? Let's go. Since A minus B is on both sides, let us divide both sides by A minus B. okay, to cancel them out. That is, this will go and this will go. You are left with this. Okay. What is left is A plus B equal to B. Like this. There is it. But wait, remember at the start, we said A is equal to B, right? Yeah, we still have it. A is equal to B, right? Then that is A is equal to B. I can replace this A with B, right? Then B plus B equal to B. Therefore, B plus B, that is 2B, equal to B. Then divide by B. Divide both sides by B. B, B, right? Then they cancel out each other. This will go and this will go. You are left with what? 2 is equal to B divided by B. That is, there you go. 1. Therefore, 1 equal to 2. Obviously, 1 does not equal to 2. So where is the mistake? Did you catch it? The mistake happened when I divided by A minus B. Since A is equal to B, that means A minus B is 0. And in math, you cannot divide by 0. It is illegal. Did I trick you? Let me know in the comment below if you spotted it. See you in the next lesson, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.